bedside table, curtains closed, cats in a cradle. Who would have thought that a boy like me?
Something's bugging me, something ain't right. My best friend told me what you did last night. You left me sleeping in my bed. Come on, baby, let's not fight. We're gonna dance and everything will be alright. Your turn. Leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Don't wanna miss it when you hear that high. Come on. Baby, moving tight. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. They can dance, we'll stay on the stand, yeah. What do we say? Wake me up, go, leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Calls to mind a silver screen. The dawn is sad. Goodbye. I'm gonna dance again. Dancing in it, got no rhythm. No, it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Should've known better than to treat a friend. Waste the chance and I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. How you doing? Time can never make the careless whispers. Good friends. Got the gun, your heart and mind. Ignorance is kind.
Give me action at the touch of a button. Flying through hyperspace, it's a computer fantasy. It's just waiting for you and me. Stop! Living on video, stop! tequila shots with all of you. My girlfriend, she's at the end. She is starting to cry. When I'm a walking, I struck my stuff. Then I'm so strung out, and I'm high as a kite. I just might stop to check you out. Let me go on. That's all. Let me go on. Yeah, I know you're the one. I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. Rudy! Thank you. Wow. You guys want to hear another one? Seriously? Serious? Hombres G, who knows this song right here? Estoy llorando en mi habitación. Todos se nublan a mi alrededor. Ella se fue con un niño pijo en un fiesta blanca. Let's go! Por el parque las veo pasar. Cuando te besan el paso fatal. Voy a vengarme de esa marica. Voy a nenarle el cuello. Por los pica pica su ser amor. Vuelve a chica. Porque mejor serás entre pocos. I haven't worn this kind of underwear for like 25 years. I'm not Luckily, I had babies already, otherwise I wouldn't be having any. But guys, honestly, it's sensational. Just seeing everybody here right now. Thank you, man. And the effort that's put in by every single one of you to dress up for today. I hope this night lived up to your expectations. I just want to put something together for you because it's not about me, guys. I'm 50, okay, whatever. It's about you guys because all of you are special in my lives. Every time I interact with you guys, it means something to me. And you guys fill my heart with love, friendship, and I appreciate everything. The last thing I'm going to say is we got a couple hours left, so let's enjoy. Let's fill up this dance floor and let's break the framing and the aluminum and the freaking thing. Hey, they told me it can hold up to 180 people, but I don't think so. Let's break it, okay? Let's break this motherfucker, all right? All right, guys, thank you. Thank you so much.
I swear, at this moment, you mean everything. You ain't that dress, my thoughts are the best, but you're dirty. Come on, these people around here have been down I sunk in smoke, tried face, so resigned to what their fight is, but we are far too young and clever to run. I hope this true forever. Come on, Eileen. Oh, I swear. Come on, let's take up everything. We're to address Eileen. Come on, let's. Come on, Eileen. We're to address Eileen. Come on, let's. Come on, Eileen.
Upon recommendations, again, the skillful eye of Sir Richard Blade, we have best, which one is this one? Most original. And we all know We all know who this is. We do. Come on, please, stop. This is Naked Gun, Anthony Munoz. What is this? $50 at Del Rey and $500 cash. So you get 2 prizes. Yes. And you get a free ride home and a beautiful trophy. We don't call them trophies here, we call them trophies, just so they sound a little bit fancy. $500 gift card to Javier's and $500 cash, crisp hard cash, goes to Madonna. And that is Monica Martin. Where is she? Monica Martin. She gets the award for Best Female. Madonna. Not McDonald's, okay? I didn't say McDonald's, I said Madonna. Please claim your prize and your trophy.
McDowell's.
You get a lovely trophy. Great job, by the way. Fantastic job. And then $500 cash. So it's a total of $1,000 cash prizes for this gentleman. Where is MC Hammer at? Can't touch this. Sir Richard Blade and other judges. Oh, Patty LaBelle. Patty LaBelle just showed up. I don't know where you were, but she did get best hair. Oh, a hamburger, of course. $500 cash to Miss Patty LaBelle for best hair. And is this the grand finale? Okay. And Michelle Pfeiffer, Edgar and Julie. Edgar and Julie, where are you? Edgar and Julie, I hope you're here. $3,500 travel voucher anywhere you want to travel to. Vegas, anywhere else. Congratulations. You did a fantastic job. You get a trophy, a beautiful card to take away with you.
Say hello to my little friend.
Richard Blake, thank you so much, sir, for helping us make the decision. It wasn't on me, it was on the experts. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about this party? Okay, it did not happen by itself. It happened because of them. And where's Mary? Marty's coming over here right now. Ladies, I owe everything to you. You made this happen. Obviously, there's a staff that supported the kitchen, all the bartenders, the waiters, everything else, the staging. What was the name of the company?
Irene's Events.
Irene's Events. If you ever want to throw a party similar to this or anything like it, you have to talk to these ladies because they're magnificent. And I thank you so much. I really do. Thank you for making it happen.